Any sprinter will tell you one of the nicest things about your home circuit is not that you know the course so well or it's supporting your local community or anything else. It's the fact that you can have an extra hour in bed before you go to the sprint. And so it is then that the beginning of August 2026, we're off to Curborough for their summer sprint organised by the Midland MG Car Club. And this has to be one of my favourite courses on the circuit, not because it's local, but because they have at Curborough an absolutely incredible figure of 8 configuration. Some great corners, really suits the midget well. Conditions today at Curborough then near perfect. Going to be a really sunny day all day. In fact, if anything, heat is probably going to be the biggest issue. Figure of 8 then, starting down the bottom as always. Swing wide up here, get as close to the outside as possible. Noting this is quite new tarmac, look at this is nice. Straight line then through the first corners. Round to the infamous molehill, coming out wide and then turning in, getting as far over to the right as we can so we can keep the speed then around this little molehill, which has claimed many a car over the years. Nice sweeping right-hander then, building the revs, probably getting to third to get to the hairpin at the top of the circuit. It's only my second event this year then in the MG Car Club Speed Championship, not chasing a Northern or Southern or National Championship this year, but particularly do like the figure of 8 circuit here, so really wanted to do this one. So only really chasing the target time here for me, 69 seconds, 69.11. So that's what we're going to try and beat. So let's see if this car can beat the target time today. Conditions are good for it. Up to the hairpin then. Again, keeping it wide. It's a classic 180-degree hairpin. Keep it wide, kiss the apex, accelerate out. As you come out of the corner, it opens up into the long straight, but this time of course we're going to be turning right, not going all the way to the end. The challenge here is you swing right not to take out these bollards on the inside or inadvertently clip the curb and spin yourself off into the undergrowth. And then we get to my favourite corner on my favourite course. This 90 left, right in front of the commentator stand. Slightly uphill, good tarmac. You come right out wide here, second gear, plant your foot and just drive around it. Absolutely superb. And then we go back and do the other half of the figure of 8. So round again before next time coming straight down and across the finish line. So it's the usual gig now, scrutineering. First practice at 9 o'clock. Bacon sandwich, cup of tea. And I'm told we might only have one practice lap, and after that it'll be timed laps. So the clock starts proper from lap 2 today. Time to tog up then. All the safety gear, fireproof suit, hands device, helmet, gloves, shoes. Can't put a price on safety. And let's cut to the action. So at the lunchtime break, first practice 70.49, so just a bit off the 69.11. First time run, it was timed at 68.58, but recorded as a fail because all four wheels went off the course. One of those frustrating moments where as you're drifting around the corner, you see the white line and you can see the drift that you've got on and know the car's going to go off the track, and something they're quite hot on here, making sure you've got at least one wheel on the track, which is fair game. The rules are the rules. So recorded as a fail, unfortunately. So go into the afternoon session, 2 timed runs to go, and no time on the clock at the moment, but knowing that it is possible. Going to be good. Run 3 then, got a 69.78, so getting down there, but still half a second away from the 69.11. So final run then, let's see if we can make it happen. Final run 69.09, so 0.02 of a second below the target. Got to a target that historically couldn't get close to last year, so really great day. Target time 100 points for the championship that I'm not in this year, but regardless, so really chuffed with that. So from a very warm Curborough today, temperatures 26, 27 degrees at their peak, so really hot day for the cars. So from a very warm Curborough, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the questions and comments, keep them coming. A special thank you to all of those people that come out and say hello at the races. Really is great to meet you all, just to spend time to chew the cud on MG Midgets and the championship and what's involved. It all goes to make an absolutely fantastic day out, and this is what sprinting is all about. So until next time, thanks for watching.